Good morning. Many of you have asked how you present your screen and still see your students on your Google Meets. Well, you'll need to split your screen, and here's how. I'm going to navigate to my Google Meet. There's the lovely Miss Wise. I currently have my Google Meet on my grid view, even though you can't tell because I only have Miss Wise in my class, but I'm going to turn that off. When I turn it off, it has an X, and I'm also going to make sure that my chat box is off. These are two things that we've discovered have cause your screen to freeze or other glitches. So now I'm going to present now. I'm going to present my entire screen, and I'm going to share my screen. Now I'm sharing my screen, and I'm going to navigate to the website that I wanted to show my students. Here is my website. I'm going to click on the tab of my website. I'm going to drag it to the middle, and I'm going to bounce it to the side. Now you'll see that it's a half a screen. I'm going to navigate back to my Google Meet. Here is my Google Meet with Miss Wise in my class, and I'm also going to take that to the side and bounce it. So now I have my Google Meet here, and I have my Seesaw here. I have two split screens. Now I can see what Miss Wise is doing, and fortunately she is a very good student. She is paying attention to what I am telling her. And that is how you share your screen and still see your students. One last note is that you'll want to make sure that you make your Meet on the right-hand side of your screen so that you can still see your students listed over here. And again, you do not want to enable your grid view because that will provide some glitches for you.